Okay, in last video we were working on the for each loop. It was very simple example we took. This time we are going to use little complex than previous one. I'm going to take a one employee array as an input and output will be uh, three arrays based on the employee number ranking. So let's start. So we are going to add a HTTP request trigger here. Here I am going to use a schema. I prepared the schema to save the time. Schema will help us to validate and give the specific element information. So let me paste a schema here which I prepared. Save it. As I said, we are going to use the three output array. So we need to initialize those array in initialize variable and name it to initialize low employee. Array name will be low employees. Type will be array and value will be empty. This way we will initialize all three arrays. Those will be our output. We can make it mid employee. Same array and empty. If you don't want to add new, you can directly copy and paste the action from previous step. This we can make a high employee. Now we need to add a for each loop, so we can iterate over input employee array, iterate over body. We need to use a condition here because based on the condition we need to send record to the output arrays. In the condition we can put like a employee number is more than 48 or greater than 444. So we can use the function employee number we are considering in integer. That is the use of the schema here. You can see employee number, name, all these coming from the schema. Greater than, oh sorry, less than 444. Then this is low employee. What we need to do here is add these value in the array. So that entire current iteration we need to add in array. So we can use the append to array low employee, and what we are going to insert in this is current item. Okay, so this is we prepared the low employee array. Now again copy and paste for the mid employee. Mid will be in particular range between 444 to 888. So we can make it okay greater and equal or equal, and one more row for less than or equal to 888. Copy the same condition. Now third one for high employee. just less than 888. Oh, I mean greater than 888. We forgot to append in high and mid employee array, so let's fix it. Mid employee, we are not seeing high employee here, should be some issue in the node. High employee is there, not sure. It's better to delete this high employee node and edit again. Let me try. Initialize high employee. Now let's go and see. We got it here. Okay. So we split in 3 arrays. Now we need to send the response back on HTTP request. So search for response. And in the response, what we can give, we can prepare a JSON output, which I already prepared, and I can paste here and show you. So let me paste in the body. And you can see it has a 3 element low employee coming from the low employee array, medium coming from the medium employee array, and high coming from the high. Error is coming, medium employee is not defined. So looks like the initialized variable name is not a medium employee. It should be, I believe it's mid employees. Okay, mid employees. Okay, copy and paste from here. And high employee. Oh, same problem. High employee, and copy and paste here and save it, and let's run it. So for that, make the duplicate of this one. I already have a payload with me. We can use that payload to test it. Run with payload. Paste. It has a an employee array. And you can see here there are 3 array created. Low employees has which employee number is less than 444. Mid employee should be greater than 444 and less than 888. You can see here there are 2 employees in that, and last one is high employee, which is higher than 888. This way we can utilize the array and split in multiple arrays.